how to install your new throttle cable. Pretty fucking easy. You just plug it on in. Make sure that down in there, got it through the hole before you start plugging shit in. Because you don't want to get it caught up behind things. And you see it? Good. You don't want to get it caught up, bent up, and whatnot. So we're just going to plug that in. Plug that in. Come on over here. Pop this sumbitch. You know what? Fuck that shit. It's a 2001 Ford Escape. This car is old as shit. And then, like in my previous video, slap that in there, just like that. Done. Take this, give it a nice little match it. Just like how we were in kindergarten now, you gotta put the square in the square hole. Done. As for this, I mean, it's, you want to be pretty, you just stick it on in there. I need 2 hands to do it. But that's it. Now you got yourself a new throttle cable. Alright. So we're gonna come on in here. Up to here. Damn it. Because you need that shoulder space. Unless you get your kids to do it. You know, everybody wants to have kids do their shit for them. I just prefer to do it myself. Stick it in like that and just give it a nice fucking push. And then that's it. You're good to go. Not too loose, not too tight. Give this a little bit more prying so I can get this and then once you get it in there, I had to use 2 hands. Get a nice little roll over and there, now it looks nice and pretty. Double check, check, good enough. Done. Now you're a certified mechanic.